Gorgeous property has been on the market for 30 days. It has gotten very low attention. It's not because there's anything wrong with the property. It's because it's the current state on the market. We're going into the winter season. Real estate market activities have slowed down tremendously. I presented you two scenarios. Let's say we sold the property at projected price of $465,000 in 6 months. Given the price of $360,000 we bought the house at and the construction cost of $33,000, our profit is $25,000. The second scenario is we reduce the sale price by $5,000 to $460,000 and sell the property 2 months quicker in 4 months. Given the same acquisition price of $360,000 and construction cost of $33,000, our profit is still $25,000. So the question is, do you rather get the $25,000 in 4 months or 6 months? I think the answer is very clear.